or g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to make a dessert. It's chocolate bananas. And I saw this recipe on Instagram and it looked so easy. So I'm not sure how easy it is to actually do, but it's 3 ingredients. It's a banana, it's dark chocolate and puff pastry. Can't get easier than that. So the oven is preheating and all you have to do is you got to hollow out a banana. So I'm going to cut and hollow out some of the banana. And there's my oven, it just heated. All right, so as you can see, well, you can't really see, but see, I'm hollowing out the middle of the banana because we're going to put the chocolate in there and it's got to have a place to sit. But now we're going to take our puff pastry. So I've rolled some, and how they did it was instead of wrapping one piece around, they kind of made a pretty pattern with it. And the way they did that was they kind of took the end and like laid it that way, kind of did this like a string wrapped around it. So I've decided I'm going to try and do that. We'll see if it works. There we go, I've got another strip here. So just roll your pastry in strips and just kind of wrap it up like a bandage around the banana. So you're going to have something that's starting to look, it'll be layered like that. And you're going to wrap the whole banana and then you just bake it in the oven. Now you probably could brush it with an egg wash. I'm not going to. I'm just going to bake it like this. And then I'll come back and show you how it looks once it's all finished, wrapped and baked. So I'm just working on wrapping it and you'll get a nice layered look. I'm not sure if you can see that, there you go, but it's layered. So I'll come back and show you. I'm going to put it on a sheet, a parchment paper, my silicone mat in the oven, and we're going to bake it and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So I did 2 bananas and one looks better than the other one because the second one I did better, but they smell amazing. They look really good. So I'm going to show you how they look. They're still on the tray. And that's all the chocolate and the juice run out. But isn't that delicious? Smells so good and it was so easy to make. And look at that, a nice dessert. So I'm just gonna pull that off. So if you're in a pinch, short for time, people pop over, you don't know what to make. Usually you have bananas, puff pastry in your freezer. What a great dessert. So here you go, look. There you go. A chocolate banana in puff pastry. Enjoy.